Spinach egg omelette. Kunin ko itong leaves ng spinach. Ayan. Marami na ito kasi konti lang naman yung gagawin kong spinach egg omelette. Last year pa ito tinanim, kailang tumubo siya. Oh. Pero magtanim din kami inshallah by March. Masarap ito kasi organic. Yung nabibili kasi sa market ay sa bazaar. Minsan hindi na fresh. Kaya masarap ito kasi organic. Oh. At saka yung dahon niya maliliit. Oh. Kinalbo ko na. Maliliit na yung dahon. Yan, tama na ito. I use only 1 egg, then pinch of salt, black pepper powder. Ito siya yung black pepper na ginagamit ko, and pinch of chili powder, red chili powder. So, i-beat natin. Because just only little I get organic spinach in our field. So, 1 enough egg. Now we have to open now this light here for put little already oil here. Oil is already hot. Now we can fry first, half fry first this spinach, and then I will add also spring onions and coriander leaves. These are all organic vegetables. Now we have to half fry together. I like this one, spinach egg omelette. Before I cook also, but spinach I boil it, half boil. But this one is just I fry again. But that spinach is I buy from the market, from bazaar, but this is organic. At the same time, I'm also make hot rice because last night for our dinner, I cook also rice. Ayan, and then also this chicken curry. So I like this one much better. I like this spinach egg omelette with white rice. So that's why I cook, and I go there down to get this spinach. Baliktad natin. I already changed side. So this is already cooked. So ito na ang aking lunch white rice. Just I make hot this one. Ayan, oh. Ayan, umuusok. And then, ito na yung spinach egg omelette with chutney. Yan. Kain tayo ng lunch.